If we believe LTV when they say that we are about to enter a new stage for modern RV adventure without compromise, it begins with the new Unity TBX series, a Mercedes Sprinter-based two-floor plan lineup that seeks to blend luxury and adventure in one attractive, multipurpose package. Leisure Travel Vans, or LTV for short, is a Canadian specialty company that has been in business since 1978 and is known as the top premium RV maker in its nation. This reputation will only be enhanced by the recently announced Unity TBX series, a Class C motorhome with stunning interiors, all the creature comforts and amenities, and additional versatility. Although Unity TBX is presented as a series, there is only one layout available in two distinct specifications, with or without AWD. AWD, a factory suspension lift, and black rear fender flares are features of the Unity TB4X off-road ready version, which is different from the Unity TBX civilized version. Order books for both domestic and foreign orders have officially opened for the new series, which LTV introduced at the 2026 Florida RV Super Show last month, January. Based on the 170-inch, 432 centimeters, wheelbase Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, the Unity TBX is a four-person motorhome that comes standard with 4 berths and 4 belted seats. With a total length of 25 feet, 7.6 meters, width of 8 feet, 2.4 meters, and height of 10.5 feet, 3.2 meters. It provides full standing height, a large amount of space for entertaining and living comfortably, and all the comfort features one could want. There isn't really any compromise on board, unlike what you'll find with motorhomes of a similar size, especially in Europe, where the Unity TBX appears to be based. Since LTV offered adventure seeking, without compromise in terms of comfort or space, it would have looked horrible if there had been one.